Now, in probability, I mean, the model you offer for probability in Menhem is a classical model. You know, it is about taking into account the factors we don't know. But this is the goddamn point. We thought that that was what modeled probability in classical mechanics, and we sought to get more information. And we did get more information, including the information that at the quantum level, the only successful model for an electron right now gives material reality to probability. In other words, the electron is a wave. A wave of what, pray tell? A wave in this probability space, and it exists as that. And that's the importance of this two-slit experiment that you want to ignore because you don't want to see that the Earth moves. Okay? You want to ignore this experiment because the only model that explains this experiment so far involves waves. Waves in which probability has a material reality as the amplitude of this wave. Okay? And that's why we say that the electron is smeared out. It's smeared out across all of its probable location. So you have a probability wave. The volume under that wave is 1, probability 1. It exists somewhere, that means. But where is a matter of probability. So it turns out probability is not just an analytic concept, but there really is such a thing as probability in nature. That's what QM is pointing us towards. And it's not phantasmagorical. It's the fact that the only model that explains what we see in quantum experiments involves probability having a material reality. And you don't want to accept that. And maybe I don't either. But I'm not religious about it. And I realize that when the evidence is staring me in the face, that I have reason to figure out how I can understand and accept that evidence. And you want to reject it and say, well, no, my intuition that I could figure everything out, I'm going to go with that. Well, I'm going to go with the evidence that says you couldn't figure everything out, even given enough information.